Hello, my friends. Shourav here. Today we have a problem that went viral over the internet. So we'll be trying to solve it today. So in this problem, we are given with the equation where 6 to the power x minus 5 to the power x is equals to 11. So we have to find the value of x over here. So let's write it down. 6 to the power x minus 5 to the power x is equals to 11. This 11 we can write as 6 plus 5, right? Yes. Now, if I multiply this equation by 1 on both sides, what will happen? We'll have an advantage over here, right? So, this 1 I can write as 6 minus 5, right? So, let's write it down. Let's write this as 6 minus 5. Now, if you look closely over here, uh, we have an algebraic equation over here, which is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So over here, a is equals to 6 and b is equals to 5. So what I can write in this instead of this is 6 square minus 5 square, right? And on the left side it becomes 6 to the power x minus 5 to the power x. So you can see over here the 6 minus 5 is equal on both sides. So what you can do, we can write x is equals to 2, which is our answer for this problem. Please follow this challenge for more such contents.